Hello, this is Beth here with your instructions for today. Today you're gonna work on your Videohistoria 3B. First thing, you report your attendance, then you go into this photo for your actividad inicial. And this is your actividad inicial. Responde la pregunta en una oración completa. You should know by now what that means. And this is the question. ¿Qué haces para mantener la salud? So you figure out what the question means and you're going to respond in a complete sentence in Spanish, of course. So I would say something like yo como verduras o como pollo, no sé. Yo bebo agua. So you can use different ways to say. You can say yo hago ejercicio, yo levanto pesas, but please do not forget to conjugate your verbs in the right way. Back to the plan. Then you had your Videohistoria. Let's look at the Videohistoria. For the Videohistoria, you're going to write your name there, you already know. And then before you watch the video, antes de ver el video, think about the typical diet of a teenager. Which foods are healthy choices and which ones are not? Select 5 foods in each category. So you have bueno para la salud and you have malo para la salud. So you're going to select whatever is appropriate there, and then you're going to move to the next section. This is before you watch the video. Once you got your answers in the first section, you're going to watch the video. Here's the video. I put the link here, and remember, if your video doesn't work in the form, you can always go back and find it here on the plan. So you watch the video, and these people here in the video are saying things. So they say that you're going to select the name of the person from the video who made each statement. You read the statement and you see who says it, and then you select the person that is going to say each one of those statements in the video. Once you have that one, you're going to move to the next section. And the next section is open questions. So you're going to watch the video, and I give you some hints of where you can find the answers. So this is like a picture of the video where you can find the answers. Maybe I'm going to put the video here too, so you can watch it. And then you're going to answer the questions that you have here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 questions. Oh no, 6 questions. I didn't put a number in this one. 6 questions. And then you go to the last section. And in the last section, you also have 4 questions. You have 4 questions based on the video. So you have to just pay attention to the answers on the video. Let's watch. What else? Okay, once you finish the video, you're going to practice the verb hacer. The verb hacer, to do or to make. I put this here at the bottom of the plan so you remember, refresh. You know some of this, so you just refresh what the verb hacer means. And then I had the conjugation of this verb right here. Yo hago, tú haces, él, ella o usted hace, nosotros hacemos, vosotros hacéis, ellos o ellas hacen. So you have the conjugation of the verb here, so you know how to use that verb. So what is your first practice? Your first practice says fill in the form with the verb hacer in the present tense. So you have the conjugation there. You just need to identify the subject and then complete the blanks and wait until it turns green. Okay, so you're gonna use the conjugation of the verb, complete this one, then you're gonna take the screenshot and send it to me. The second practice is a little different. ¿Qué hacen ellos? So you need to find the subject, and then you put the subject, and then you see what the person is doing. So this guy is skating. So I'm going to say ellos patinan, and you are going to practice your vocabulary that you have seen before. Okay? You find the subject, and you make the sentence using this. They're talking what they're doing. And the last practice is similar to that one. Answer the question based on the pictures. ¿Qué hace tu hermana? So because it's mi hermana. ¿Qué hace tu hermana? Mi hermana. Mi hermana. What's she doing? She's riding a bike. Monta en bicicleta. Okay? So you just need to find who they're talking about. The action is right there. And then you answer accordingly. That's all you had to do for today. You're going to submit your screenshots for these 3 activities right here. Right, put this space. And I'll be in class helping you with whatever questions you have. I'll see you in class. Adios.